Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Nisha, and in this video I am going to share with you guys my experience of trying Chloe Ting's 2-week stretch challenge. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So I tried the challenge that was released in August 2020, and the equipments that you need for this challenge is basically a yoga mat and dumbbells in case you have any, but I didn't use any of the equipments. I just used the yoga mat and that's it. So basically each day you have a set of videos that you need to complete. Every day there are like 5 or 6 videos including the warm-up and the cool down exercises. So before starting my challenge, I wanted to show you all my weight, which is 65.7 kgs. So starting from my first day, I could just do 2 videos, and after that I was literally exhausted, and the second day also was the same. On the third day I was able to complete the third video, but just like the half of it, and the fourth day was a rest. So basically after like 3 or 4 days of continuous exercises, you get 1 day of rest. So in total there are like 11 days of exercises and 3 days of rest. Talking about the time that I used to do, so I'm not basically a morning person, and I would wait till the evening to do these exercises because I feel I have much more energy in the evening carry out these heavy exercises. So I would do that, and from the 5th day onwards it started to get a little more easier because I was prepared mentally that I need to complete all the videos. So basically after I completed a week of this challenge, I started to see the results. I could feel the difference in my energy, the difference in my stamina, and I could feel that my belly was a little more toned. And also while doing these exercises, I would try and do the high impact exercises as much as possible, but stick to the low impact versions where I felt the need. So coming to my diet, I did not make any changes in my diet as such. जो भी हम रोज़ का खाना खाते हैं, दाल रोटी चावल पराठा and junk food maybe like twice a week, I used to have that. So basically my diet was not very healthy, but it was not very unhealthy as well. Hey guys, so today was the last day of my 14-day shred challenge, and I'm done with it. I've completed it. I'm so happy about it, and now we're just gonna get to the results. So let's go. Measure my waist, and I don't know if you can see, this here is like 34.2 or 3 inch. I think I have lost about 1.5 inches with this, and I'm also going to measure my weight. So this is what my weight after the challenge looks like. It's 64.7, and I think I've lost a kg or so. So coming to my results, as you can see that I lost about 1.5 inches from my waist and like a kg from my body. And I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but considering that I did not make any dietary changes, I think the results are pretty decent. And in case you are somebody who is a beginner, I think you can use this challenge to start your fitness journey. I think if you combine this challenge along with some healthy diet and a balanced diet, I think you're gonna get results much better than mine and much faster. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me in the comment section below if you guys have tried any Chloe Ting challenge and what were your results. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.